How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. So the first thing you have to make sure is that make sure you have entered your correct phone number to receive the SMS. Then you can wait for a while and then again tap on resend code. Now another step you can check is that make sure that you haven't put Facebook messages or other messages on spam folder or blocked number. Make sure you check that. Now, another step you can do is turn off Do Not Disturb mode. For that, turn down your control panel and then turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also turn on flight mode and then turn it off again. Sometimes, due to network issues and errors, you may not receive SMS on time. So make sure you have a stable network. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Apps. From here, you could directly search for Facebook. Now, once you come to App Info page, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Storage. Now, at the bottom right corner, you'll see Clear Cache. Tap on it. Now, the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch Google Play Store. Go ahead and tap on Search at the bottom. Now, simply go to the search bar and search for Facebook. Here we go. Now go ahead and tap on Facebook on top. Now over here, instead of the option of Open, if you see the option of Update, tap on it and make sure that the Facebook app is updated to its latest version. By updating the app, you will be able to fix app errors and bug issues. Also, you could simply tap on Uninstall and then reinstall your Facebook app again. So, by following all these easy steps, you will be able to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.